Okay, I like to start my videos by saying okay a lot. So, as you can see by the title, this video is going to be like how to upgrade your Lamar Jackson, blah blah blah. So, and the end of the Master Series. So, you get 2 for 1, All right, so Lamar Jackson, obviously, the quarterback they give you in the beginning, that is kind of loud, so I'm not going to flip through it anymore. You can get them up to a 79 pretty easily. I have them up to a 79. But mainly this is about getting him past that 79 threshold into an elite player. And, let's just get right into it. So, before anything happens, let's go into sets and see everything you need to complete it. So, at 81 overall, you need muddy cleats, ripped jersey, scuffed helmet, worn gloves. Those are the gear items. The gear items you get from playing the Master Series itself, and you can get you can get lockers every 6 hours. You can also request from help for your league to reduce that time. You can go in and just straight out get them from the Master Series tokens, which you get from playing the Master Series whole program. It's not a program. It's like its whole thing by itself. And then you can open them, and then they give you gear, and you can use those gears to buy pro packs, which I did for like some pack openings because I had a lot extra. Now, kind of feeling it a little bit. Don't have too much of that left over. Actually, I'll just put everything I can in there. All right. But now, anyways, I filled this out before I did any of that. Those are the gears. Now we go to the Lamar Jackson shades. You get the Lamar Jackson shades from doing the very last thing for the Master Series, completing the very last level of the Master Series, which I'm going to be doing this episode, or this video. And so then you need also the 10 gold players, 71 overall plus. That's not too difficult. You get a lot of gold players throughout just playing. And if you have a lot of extra gear and you're only planning on getting the 81 for right now at least, you can also buy pro packs, get it from that as well. And then you need the previous Lamar Jackson you had before upgrading it. So I have everything set in place. Now I just need the shades and then my Lamar Jackson, which I will take out after I do the whole challenge and everything. So let's go into Master Series. Let's go into Lamar Jackson. Let's not go inside Lamar Jackson. Right. I take that back. It's your time to shine. Face off against Lamar Jackson and the Ravens to get one step closer to upgrading your mobile master legend, or mobile master Lamar Jackson. Win in overtime and grab your Lamar Jackson shades. So, it's overtime. You could get this done in 1 second. It's literally that simple. And the stages before that, even easier. Really. It's like it was those challenges where you have to run through zones. Those are the easiest challenges in the game. Also, try to use new AP. The spin doesn't work. Let's see here. Can we hit Julio deep? Julio got the little burners on him, and we won. Second play of OT. Yay! Yeah, no, it was really simple. So we get that. Open it up. Muddy cleats, so you get that extra thing. We go in here and claim. It's just Lamar Jackson shades. There we go. These shades are truly one of a kind. Yes, they are. This is the only way you can get them. Continue. Blah, blah, blah. And we are finished. They haven't added any of the new ones. Blah, blah, blah. It goes all up to 99, which I'm definitely be grinding these. Because that's what I've been doing. The training camp, haven't got much into that yet. Might do a video. I keep saying that. Might do a video on it. Well, I might. So get Lamar. Just replace him. Take him out. We go down. Let me click my goal real quick. What challenge? Yeah, challenge. Complete the 3 Master Series events. Now go to sets. Go over to Master Series. Go to your 81 Lamar. Add that quarterback in. Add those Lamar shades. And redeem. It will take you some Master Series tokens. But voila. You have gotten the man, the myth, the legend. Lamar Jackson. But as an 81 overall. That's pretty darn good. 81 speed. He's faster than Julio. Faster than Julio. 77 throw power. That's not the greatest. But, you know, you really use Lamar Jackson as scrambling. And the passing is good enough to get you by. So that's that. So once you complete that, you just go on and do the next thing. And the next ones are considerably easier. Like, considerably easier. There's, like, way less just, like, grindiness. Because the more shades, you have to do everything to get them. All the Master Series stuff and the 10 gold players. This, you just kind of put the badges in and your gears in, and then the QB scheme and QB badge, which I'll show you how to get right now. It was, I totally forgot about that part, but that's important. So you go down in here, and you go to position collectibles in the Madden workshop. You go to QB, and you redeem it if you have everything. If not, you should have all this, you know, in your like inventory in the game already. If not, the main thing that people won't have is the quarterback emblem, and you just go in here and you play the thing, and you get it. It's pretty simple. And then the last thing was the actually I have to redeem mine, so I'll redeem that because I do need another one. Collect that. Here we go, yay! And then we go down here, and you just do any one of these that you can do. If you don't have the edible emblem, have I been saying edible? I feel like I may have. I think I might have just been retarded. Emblem, then you can go buy them in the store, and you click go, and it'll bring you down here. You can probably do it somewhere in here, but the way I did it was like $1,000 in the shop. So let me look in there. Boom. Madden today. I just bought the emblem in here. I swear to God I was saying edible. Pretty sure I was. So yeah, it's just any. So you just collect any one you want. Redeem it. Open the pack. Continue. And then we can go over. Click on your set. Put those suckers in. See, now I need one more rip jersey, which kind of sucks, but I have 260 left, so I can redeem one of these, right? There still could be a chance here. I can do it. I was a little stupid with it, but if you've done the whole Master Series and you save all those, you should be fine. There should be no problem. And then you collect it, and then I'm hoping, right? No rip jersey. That kind of sucks. Just hoping to end it on a good note. But nonetheless, you understand the whole gist of it and how pretty easy it is to just get a really high overall Lamar Jackson. So yeah, that is the end of it. And take a little look at my team. It went down in overall. Oh, yeah, I had the quarterback out. I'm stupid. My bad. Yeah, so look. We got Adrian Peterson. Really good halfback. He's been dominant, the amount of times I've used him. The new Lamar Jackson, which I'm excited to play with. Julio. Beastly receiver. 2 decent backups. You know, could always be better. O-line's pretty fair. No one likes to, you know, really get elites on the O-line. Because why would you? You know, everyone goes for the skill positions. Really good secondary, really good. 2 good linebackers, and then 2 good pass rushers. So the team's looking fairly nice. You know, literally just the last video, I bought a kick returner. He was super cheap. I just resold him, or at least put him back up on the auction block, because I got the Cordero Patterson. He's 74, 1 overall higher. So I was like, why not play with him instead? So yeah. That's how you get 81 overall plus Lamar Jacksons. I guess you go up to sets, and that is the final stage of the Master Series so far. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subbing and liking is always appreciated. And that is it. Bye.